Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you and your family is doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about Dev Uthani Ekadashi. What is the significance of Dev Uthani Ekadashi in our Shastra? What is the right way of doing the fasting on the Dev Uthani Ekadashi? And what Shastra says about Dev Uthani Ekadashi? If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you're getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. Dev Uthani Ekadashi is the biggest Ekadashi of the year. This is a day where Lord Vishnu will wake up and take the in charge of the universe. As per the Shastra, all the auspicious work will be started from this day, like marriage, starting of a new project, or starting of a business. If you are doing the fasting on this day, it has given lot of importance. If you are doing the fasting on this day with trust and faith and with few mantras and the rituals, then you will be able to overcome the bad karmas which you have done in the past life. Not only this, if you're facing the blockages in your life related to the career, finances, health, or the money wise, then also this day has given lot of importance. Now let us guide you step by step what is the right way of doing fasting on this day. So you have to wake up early in the morning and you have to wear the yellow color clothes. In the Brahm Muhurat only between 4:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. you have to sit near the tulsi plant, light up a ghee lamp near the tulsi plant, and sitting there only you should chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya with a tulsi garland and make tulsi plant listen Vishnu Sahasranam on this day. There is a lot of importance being given in our Shastra when you make listen tulsi plant Vishnu Sahasranam. Vishnu, if you're making listen tulsi plant Vishnu Sahasranam on this day, then you will be able to overcome the past life karmic blockages. Not only this, if you're facing any type of issues in your present life also, gradually and slowly you will notice that you will be able to overcome it. Throughout the day, try to listen, meditate, or chant on the mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva. It has given a tremendous benefits if you want to overcome your past life karmic blockages. As per the Shastra, feeding cows bananas on this day, if you're feeding cows bananas on the Dev Uthani Ekadashi, it has given the tremendous benefit on this day. If you feed cows bananas, this will be going to help you out to remove your past life sins, past life karmic blockages, and will be going to give you the relief in the present life. Next, if you want career success on this day, and if you want health wise you want to grow in your life, then this is a day that you should offer tulsi leaf to Lord Vishnu. You have to offer yellow flower to Lord Vishnu, as well as you should offer yellow chandan to Lord Vishnu, and pray for your good health as well as career and the finances. If you are facing problem in getting married, or if you're facing problem in attracting the right partner, then on this day you should do parikrama of tulsi plant at least 9 times, and sitting near the tulsi plant 11 mala you have to chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Before you start chanting, you have to set an intention. What is your purpose of chanting this mantra? Say to Tulsi Ma, I want to get married, help me attracting the right partner. Light up a ghee lamp, and then you should start chanting continuously. 11 mala you have to chant. That means 100 times into 11 you have to chant the Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya on this day. Along with this, if possible, that try to donate yellow color clothes to the needy. You should offer red chunni to Tulsi plant on this day and offer yellow color clothes to Lord Vishnu also on this day. In any case, you are not able to offer that in any temple. In that case, you can offer a simple yellow color towel also in any nearby Vishnu temple. This time, what is the right way of doing the fasting on Dev Uthani Ekadashi? So the first and the biggest way how you can do the fasting on the Dev Uthani Ekadashi is try to do fasting, try to do Nirjala fasting, like try to avoid eating or drinking on this day. This is also one of the best way you can do the fasting on this day. If in any case you can't do the Nirjala fasting on this day, then the second way of fasting is you can do only on the liquid diet. Like you can have a coconut water, you can have a water, you can have a fruit juices on this day, but avoid eating banana and watermelon on this day. Third, if you can't do the fasting only on the water diet, the third way to do the fasting is you can do the fasting only on the fruits, or you can eat the bread related items. Like you can eat potatoes, you can eat sabudana ki khichdi, anything you can eat on this day related to the bread. In any case, you are not healthy and you can't do fasting on this day. In that case, in the Shastra, there is a lot of importance being given. The fasting, mansik fasting, you can do, like you can think that you are fasting, but on this day, if you can't fast on a liquid diet or on fruits and you want to do a mansic fast, in that case what you can do is that try to avoid eating onion, non-veg, and avoid eating rice on this day. If you are doing fasting on this day, then you have to make sure that you are not sleeping in the daytime. Make sure if you are doing any of the Ekadashi fasting, then you should not sleep in the daytime. It is prohibited in our Shastra. And you should chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva. You can listen, you can chant, or you can meditate it. And if not possible, if you don't have a cows nearby, you can't feed cows bananas on this day. In that case, you can donate bananas on this day to the needy too. Make sure if you have a tulsi plant at your home, make sure on the day of Ekadashi as well as next day of Ekadashi also, you can't offer water to the tulsi plant. Third day you should offer the water to the tulsi plant. So this is a procedure that you need to follow on the day of Devutani Ekadashi. These are the very simple rituals that you need to do on the Devutani Ekadashi. Along with this, if you have any of the specific wish and you want that specific wish to be fulfilled on this day, then what you need to do on Devutani Ekadashi is you have to offer yellow color flower to Lord Vishnu, and you have to light up a ghee lamp near Lord Vishnu. After the sunset, you should do the arti of Lord Vishnu. You have to do the arti with camphor, cow ghee, and add little bit of turmeric or saffron in it. And make a wish. With the blessings of Lord Vishnu, all your wishes will come true. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Share this video with your loved one and try to do the fasting on this day and try to follow all the rituals. It is going to help you a lot, and gradually and slowly you will observe that your life will started transforming and you will become a better version of your own self. Thank you. Have a great day.